Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here. Today I'm volunteering and staffing the Nature Center at Clifton Gorge State Nature Preserve. I'm really excited to get this opportunity to actually staff the Nature Preserve and greet visitors, help them hand out brochures and trail maps, and overall just be in a very scenic and beautiful location as I am here. So let's go ahead, I'm going to take you a tour about the building and show you what's inside, and hopefully you enjoy the visit here. So the reason why I'm actually here is to get volunteer hour credits for the Ohio Certified Volunteer Naturalist program that I've done, OCVN, and these hours would count towards it. Typically the Nature Center is open from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. As I am doing today here on a Saturday. And it's a very beautiful day out right now. It's very sunny and humid though for midsummer, but a lot of great visitors and people coming in, checking out the place and also exploring the gorge, and it being the first time that they're actually here. And I'm helping them out since I've been coming here for years to hike and do photography, with helping out with trail maps and navigating and finding their way, and just talking more about the history of the gorge and everything like that. So it's a really great opportunity that the Ohio Department of Natural Resources is allowing people like me to do, us common folk, and it's really cool that we can have this opportunity.